Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss about cylinders. So here in this presentation we are going to discuss cylinders in complete 4 sections. And here the first section in which we are going to deal with introduction, and then the next section is lateral surface area, and then we are going to discuss total surface area, and at last the volume of cylinder. So first, let me give introduction for cylinder. So, cylinders are the prisms having side portions, and here side portions are nothing but the lateral surfaces as curved surfaces and whose ends are congruent circles. And now let me explain this definition using a rough diagram of cylinder over here. So here we have a cylinder in which the side portions are curved and we have ends, say top and bottom surfaces are the congruent circles. And then coming to the next section where we are going to discuss the lateral surface area of cylinder. So lateral surface area of cylinder is given by just multiplying the perimeter of the base into the height. So here perimeter of the base is 2 pi r, as the perimeter of base will be equal to perimeter of circle into the height h. Here we have a cylinder and the lateral surface area doesn't include the area of top and the bottom surface. It just includes this area. And now let me explain an example using this formula. So here the given example is, if radius of the base of the cylinder is equal to 7 centimeters and the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters, then find lateral surface area. And here we already discussed, that is lateral surface area is given by the formula 2 pi r h square units. And then substituting the values of r and h in the formula, we get 2 into the value of pi, that is 22 by 7, into radius r, that is 7, into the height 10. And now simplifying here, we get 7 one time is 7, and then 7 one time is 7. And then multiplying 2 into 22, we get 44 here into 10. So that implies we get the product over here as 440 centimeters square, which is the lateral surface area of such cylinder. And then coming to the total surface area. So total surface area is nothing but the area of all the surfaces. So total surface area is given by just adding the lateral surface area of the cylinder plus 2 times of area of base. As the base is in the form of a circle, we get here 2 pi r h, that is the lateral surface area, plus 2 times of pi r square. And then by writing 2 pi r as a common factor, we get 2 pi r into h plus r square units as the formula to find the lateral surface area of cylinder. So here there is a cylinder and the area of all surfaces are included in total surface area. And now let me explain an example on this formula. So here the given example is, if the radius of the base of a cylinder is equal to 14 centimeters and the height of cylinder is equal to 20 centimeters, then find total surface area. And here we already know that total surface area is given by the formula 2 pi r into h plus r. And then substituting the values of h and r in the formula, we get 2 into 22 divided by 7, that is the value of pi, into r, that is 14 here, into h plus r, that is 14 plus 20, which is 34 over here. And here by simplifying, we get 7 one time is 7 and 7 two times is 14. So that implies by multiplying 2 into 22, we get 44 over here into 2 into 34, that is 68 over here. And then multiplying, we get the product over here as 2992 centimeters square as the total surface area. And then coming to the next section where we are going to discuss the volume. So volume of cylinder is given by just multiplying the area of base into the height h. So here area of base, that is circle, is equal to pi r square. So we get here pi r square into the height h. So volume of cylinder is given by the formula pi r square h cubic units, and here volume includes area of all the surfaces and also the amount of space inside the cylinder. And now let me explain an example on this formula. So here the given example is, if the height of the cylinder is equal to 98 centimeters and the radius is equal to 10 centimeters, then find the volume. So here the volume is given by the formula pi r square h cubic units, and then substituting the values, we get here 22 divided by 7 into r square, that is 10 square, which is 100 over here, into the height 98. And here by simplifying, we get 7 one time is 7 and 7 14 times is 98. And then multiplying all the terms, say 22 into 100 into 14, we get the product over here as 30,800 centimeters cube, as the volume is always measured in cubic units. So this was a basic introduction on cylinder. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vdgacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.